Nagaland's lone Lok Sabha MP Jamir on Tuesday said with the ongoing ceasefire between the centre and Naga underground groups and the peace process in progress, there is no need for AFSPA in the state. Jamir was addressing the 78th foundation of the Naga Students Federation (NSF), an apex youth and students body representing Naga communities in 4 states: Arunachal, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, as well as parts of Myanmar. The NSF was formed in 1945 to advocate for the rights of Nagas and their protection. He said at least 5 Naga national political groups have been in a ceasefire with the centre since 1997, and ongoing dialogues aim to resolve the complex issue. Therefore, he argued there is no need for Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Nagaland. AFSPA was extended in 8 districts of Nagaland for 6 more months on September 26. He called upon the incumbent leaders to raise their voice against AFSPA and also to press the state government to approach the centre to revoke the act from Nagaland. Asking past and senior leaders of NSF not to deviate from the welfare of Nagas, Jamir appealed to them to be sincere and dedicated. Delivering the NSF presidential address, Medovi Ree said, "We celebrate not only the passage of time but the enduring legacy of unity, resilience and vision that the NSF represents. Since its inception, the Federation has embodied the collective strength and aspirations of the Naga people, standing as a beacon of hope and voice for the rights and nationhood of Nagas," he said.